Hello, it's 2025. I am cleaning out the kitchen. I did a segment before on kitchen organization, starting with some coffee and tea section, and then the spice section with the spices in ABC order. Eventually, my drawer got a little clogged with everything. Plastic containers from a homesteading store. Plastic jars. Someone gave me some homegrown herbs. Went to the city bazaar. They give you these kind of tins and with the acrylic top. You have a party, a pizza party or something like that, they give you this with the spices, the garlic, the oregano. And then some people, like myself, I used to buy bulk. So when you buy bulk, all these big things won't fit into the drawer. And then they get slid all over and you can't find anything. And it's most annoying when you're in a pinch to cook quickly and know where everything is. So I'm getting rid of all these big plastic jars. I'm getting rid of these jars. And the only jar that I really like is these ball jars. If I had a kitchen cabinet where I could stack them up, or a Lazy Susan, I would use these. They have a nice little shaker top. They're dishwasher safe. And they keep your herbs and spices fresh. Other than that, I like these square jars, which I got at Amazon a little bit at a time. They give you labels. They give you the plain ones to write on. And also, depending on the company, you get the printed ones. Some have these little black round ones where you put the chalk writing on it. And as you see, that's not good enough. So don't get those. My pet peeve is when people have spices. They get every kind of spice, every type of container, and they shove it in the cupboard. People go in and they say, "Oh, I'm out of garlic powder. I got to go and get some more." They go and they get some more, and here it is hiding in the drawer or up in the cupboard. So what I like to do is keep them organized all like this. And all you have to do is read. And people have to put back things the way they found them because these are in ABC order. So as you know, I'm the only cook in this kitchen. And when it comes to spices, this is what paprika should look like, a red. It shouldn't look like a dark brown. This is old paprika, very old. This is going away. Keeping track of your spices, write the date on the bottom. And if you don't cook that much, you can go to the grocery store or any other store that sells kitchen spices and herbs and buy the small packs. Now this is star anise. I don't use a lot of it, so I buy a small pack, 50 cents, 99 cents. You can buy your herbs the same way in a grocery store. Bring them home, put them in the jar or the container that you have chosen. This way, your spices won't get stale and discolored. The oils don't dissipate. Use them up as you need them. There's no reason to buy a pound of garlic or a pound of minced onion unless you're in the cooking business, which I used to be before I went into medical. Now, other kind of spices come in these tins, which are nice. I get these for gifts from people who go out west. And these are very nice and handy, and they don't take much room in the drawer. Those are called rubs. Rubs are different. If I had to put rubs in all these jars, I'd have too many. I do a lot of Asian cooking and Thai cooking, Mexican cooking, so I like to have a variety of spices. And if you do too, you know that you have to look through all of your herbs and pull out everything out of your cabinets. And by that time comes and you're looking for something, you give up because you just can't find it. Any overstock, you could put these away if you do buy big quantity, because if you are a cook, you do buy large quantity. So get rid of your plastics and these jars. They could fall on your head like these little plastic jars. It's not a real ideal way to stack jars in the cabinet like that, because when you're looking, you got to put it down, take it out, you know, and things just fall all over. This is why I like the drawer. And if you don't have a drawer, maybe somebody in your family could build you a drawer or take out something. A lot of people I know have junk drawers where they have screwdrivers and pens and pencils and staples in the kitchen. And that's all fine to have paper and pencil for a recipe in the kitchen. But a toolbox belongs in the tools. Put it in your utility closet and have a nice spice drawer. So thank you for watching. Try to stay organized. It makes life so much easier.